Faith in God is not a spare tire. I want you to have the statement of the subject firmly in your minds, because so many people use God and faith in God only as a spare tire. The scripture said, "The just shall live by faith. Yea, the Almighty shall be thy defense." Faith in God is not a spare tire. You better check your faith in God every day, because you can't live on dead batteries. People who are living by some kind of spare tire religion, that's some kind of spare tire religion. That's dangerous, because when you have your blowout, if you have not been checking your faith and nourishing it and building it every day, it might not work. Don't use or think of faith in God only as an emergency measure or a spare tire. And so many times, when people are down, they'll promise God so many things. They say, "God, if you'll help me, I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do the other. I won't do this and I won't do the other." Say this with me: away with spare tire religion. I've got enough of it. You see, if you treat faith in God like a spare tire, most people, they don't even know if they've got a spare tire. Most people, they don't even know. Some people just assume they've got it. Remember, the just shall live by faith. Say that with me: the just shall live by faith. Now, subscribe before we continue.